Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the download location on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and create a download folder in some other local disk, not in local disk C, because by default it is being saved in C. And the main purpose of changing the download location is that so that our C drive is not filled. So I'm gonna go to local disk F. Then in this folder, I have already created a download folder. Now the download folder icon I have changed, so don't get confused. So after doing that, what you need to do is just go to this PC again. And from here on the left hand side, you'll see downloads. Just right click on this. Click on show more options. Click on properties. Now from here, what you need to do is go to location. Now here, you'll see local disk C. I have changed mine already, so I'm saying local disk F. What you have to do is just click on move and select the folder which you have created for your downloads. So mine is this. I'm gonna select this, and after that click on apply, click on OK, and your downloads folder location will be changed. And that is how to change download location on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.